Are we live? Am I recording? I guess we are. Welcome back, YouTube. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Chevy Brothers Garage. Quite a different episode for you guys today, man. Let me get the truck opened up. How's everybody doing, man? It's been a long time. A real long time. So today's topic for discussion, the Silverado. What a up and down it's been. Crazy, man, crazy. Let me pop the hood real quick. So a little bit as to why I haven't uploaded. It's been what, a year, more than a year? Crazy times, man. Crazy times. Having a daughter, had cancer twice, 2 tumors, and just a whole lot of nonsense, man. And no money. That's a good one. Yeah, that's a good one. A lot of people are gonna say just excuses to not upload, but I think the cancer one's legit. So for those of you who are new, welcome to Chevy Brothers Garage, where we do everything out of the discomfort of our backyard. No garage yet. Never got a sponsorship. But is it raining? So before I really get into things, my brother, who I started this channel with, he's unfortunately no longer with us. And after a lot of thought and consideration, I decided I'm gonna continue with the channel. You know, for him, for me, and it was always our dream to grow this channel and, I don't know, really provide entertainment for people. I mean, I never claimed to be a mechanic. I'm not a mechanic, I'm not a tech, I'm literally a guy that just works on my own stuff in my backyard. And unfortunately, my brother, he had a lot more knowledge than I did. He's the one who's gone, but I still try my best. Anyways, this truck right here, if you actually are not new to the channel or to my TikTok page, was his truck. Was his truck towards the end. A couple months ago, it actually ended up being my truck. But then when he passed away, I had a black truck, really ugly on the outside. What a piece of crap it was. And then I ended up getting that engine and transmission. I was swapping a C10. If you guys saw my TikTok, you probably would have known about that. But I decided to rip that engine out. And in 3 days before my brother's memorial, we got this truck running. Yeah, here you go. Just a stock 4.8 4060 in it. Computer was tuned. My brother did have a cam, stage 4, stage 3 cam. It was ridiculous. Never tuned it right. But anyways, this track sat for the last 2 years, and we got it running for him, and we were able to park at his memorial, and it was a good time. Good for him. So a little bit about that swap. This is actually an intake system from a returnless system. So in 2004, Chevy went to a returnless system. This truck still had a return system on it. So here I had to rig up some vacuum lines, which was fun. There was nothing in this truck prior. He had taken out the engine and transmission. So yeah, we got it running. We got it running, man. Now the topic of this video is that for the longest time after we got it running, we had a cylinder. What was it? A baby 2, 3, 4, and 7 misfires. And that was a pain, because what we did is swapped injectors, I swapped coils, I swapped spark plug wires, I checked for compression on the bad cylinders. I still got a 120, which wasn't bad. Fuel rail pressure test at 2500 RPM. It was only at higher RPMs where I was getting the misfires, and I couldn't figure it out. So basically what I did, here, I'll grab my scanner. All right, so I got my scanner. So check this. This was something I did not expect. Yeah. Not if I ever shown you guys what it looks like on the inside, but here's what I did to fix the misfires. I thought it was about to be, well, I got a haircut and everything too, man. Life has changed. It's been a while. Get the sun out of my face. Yeah, it's been a while, man. Hopefully I can still, maybe not this video per se, but maybe hopefully soon I can get you guys on the immaculate vibes that used to be Chevy Brothers Garage. That will be. But multiple cylinder misfire. Here's what I did. I'm getting into the scanner. Then I went to functional text and CKP variation learn. So now when I did it, so there, yeah, I did a CKP relearn. Now first when I was doing it, I was just revving the engine, and I was like, why isn't it working? So then what I ended up having to do is you have to, with the snap-on, with the Modus Edge, you have to actually hold the brake as you're revving the engine, which is weird. I didn't know that was a thing, but yeah, I did the CKP relearn. Now it runs great. Runs great. Some research online. I think it was a forum. I think that's when I got the idea to do the crank relearn. But yeah, man, let's I think that's about it for today. I got plenty of content coming for you guys. The 454 SS. Oh, where's it at? 454 SS. Engine block is outside right here behind me. Yeah, still trying to figure out that rod bearing situation. Where's it at? Over here somewhere. There it is. So I don't know if that's something I'm gonna take to the machine shop. They figure it out. If I'm just gonna put a rod bearing on it, and then I'll figure it out. But I think that's about it for today. Oh, I even bought, for those of you who follow me on TikTok, this truck was on there a few times. I ended up selling it 2 years ago. Cool kid by the way. And he I ended up finding it on Marketplace, and he sold it back to me, which is pretty cool. Here's the knock sensor harness. Truck is in not that great of shape though, but we got the wheels for it. Still doesn't have third amp overdrive. Again, another 4060 issue. But yeah, that's about it. I got more content coming for you guys, and I mean, for those of you who've been following for a while, I'm sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. For those of you who just subscribe, if you do, please do like, share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. I'm gonna have more content coming for you guys, more fun stuff. Once we figure out all these cars and running situation and my financial stability, then we'll start going into performance. That's about it. Pa que si quemen cut. And then we'll start worrying about going down the track doing takeovers or more fun shit like that again. But yeah, thank you guys for the support. Appreciate it. Chevy Brothers Garage. One day we'll have a garage. I will. For now, it's just gonna be me, I guess. My brother-in-law might join in a couple videos. We'll figure it out. But thank you guys for everything. Much love, people. Peace out.